All right, here we go. First in our series for our Marathon Mondays series to get you ready for that Two Cities race coming up in November. So your feet are going to have lots and lots of miles on them over the next several weeks of training. So we want to keep your foot healthy and happy. So we're going to show you some foot intrinsic exercises coming right up. All right, here we go with our foot intrinsics. Now, I'm just going to show you a couple of things here. What happens at the foot is when the foot hits the ground, your arch is going to collapse inward. We call this pronation. This is actually a normal movement that should happen to absorb shock. Then our foot resupinates as we go to push off of it when we're running. So I'm going to show you a real quick, nice arch strengthener. You want to get your arch maybe in a more of what we would call a neutral position, so you don't want to be fully pronated. Just kind of about there. At this point, what you're going to do is you want to push down through this part of your big toe, not the end of your big toe, but what we call the first metatarsal joint. Press that into the floor. Keep your heel flat, and there should be also some pressure out here on your fifth toe. You should see your arch tighten nicely here. Relax. You want to hold these for about 10 seconds. Maybe repeat about 10 times. Start them in a sitting position, progress to performing this in a standing position, and then see if you can take a step and stop and hold your arch tight. This will give you a nice progression for some arch strengthening and foot intrinsics. Okay, I'm going to go on to another exercise. This is using a towel. Again, you'd be in a sitting position. This works better if you have a tile or linoleum floor somewhere. Towel goes underneath the toes. You want to try to gather the towel up with your toes. Keep your heel flat, but you can see the nice work that's going on here with the foot. You can also tuck the toes under, try to push the towel away. It's a little harder, as you can see. I'm going to get myself a little room here to do this. Trying to push that towel away. Another quick exercise you can do for the foot and ankle, set the towel to the side. Again, you're in a sitting position. Keep your heel in position. Lift the foot up, pull the towel across. Lift up, pull the towel across. Move the towel all the way to the other side. Pick the foot up, grab the towel, pull it across. So you can go both directions with these. All right, that should get you started on some nice foot and ankle and foot intrinsic exercises.